please let me in the room. Homeless. This is even out of my feet.
Well,
I'm rich.
Why would you
want
go?
to make sure this is going viral because this is getting.
I paid for it. You can ask your officers. I've been kicked out of 3 hotels now.
Okay.
This little redneck, my castle.
What's going on?
I'm tired of being called a bitch. I just got here at 12. Apparently, second shift said that she's... I didn't kick out of 3 hotels. Go ahead. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I'll fucking move on. Let me in the hotel. Get me the car.
So, what's going on now?
Okay, so I got here at midnight. Sorry.
Let me make sure she doesn't take off too far in case we gotta take her to jail. Okay.
I got here at midnight. Second shift said that she has been very out of it. She's left her keys, her cell phone up here. She came in to use the restroom. She was calm. I had a black man that was getting water. She told me to give him a room. I said, well, he's already got a room. She looked at him and said, well, you better f***ing stay in your goddamn room. I know you're not going to talk to my guests like that. So then she brings her stuff in. I asked her, I said, you got a room? And she said yes. And I said, okay, well, make sure you take your stuff up there. And she looked at me and said, why the fuck are you telling me that? And I'll put my stuff wherever the goddamn fuck I want to. You're not going to talk to me like that, I'm telling you. She goes back outside. I wouldn't let her in because you got to use your room key first off.
Okay.
I talked to second shift. She needs to go. If it's refunding her money, whatever.
Okay.
But when I talked to dispatch, she acted like apparently they've had problems with her tonight.
Yeah, we've already had issues.
Okay. I recorded her yelling at me and cussing at me through the speaker.
Okay. So, if I charged her with disorderly conduct, is it something that you'd be willing to testify to?
Yeah, I want to go.
If you had
to.
They will not let me in the room, and I paid for it. And this is the 3rd hotel I've been to today. I'm asking for someone to please let me in the room. This is not a big thing.
Okay. All right. Well, hold on. Well, hold on. My partner's in there talking to him. Just hold tight.
I have no guns.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Make sure this is going viral, because this is going to be viral.
Okay. All right.
So you either do it or me, because I don't give a
Do what?
My car's right out there. You can have it.
Okay.
I'll
Well,
go homeless. You see the bottom of my feet?
well, why
I'm
would you go
rich.
homeless? Why would you go
understand
homeless?
me? Because I live with a drunken asshole. So
I'm
if
sorry
I
to
don't
hear
make
that.
myself clear that I had to escape from Florida to Georgia, I don't know what else I can do. Escape. You fucking escort me out of the room. Now.
All right.
I'm
Well,
giving
what are
away
we
my
gonna-
car, so I will walk. Do
Why
I
would
make
you-
myself clear? Yes, ma'am.
Susan, why would you want to walk?
Oh my God! Seriously, how many times? My
Susan,
daughter lives
Susan.
with a mental health condition.
I know you told me
Then
that
what
before.
the fuck? Why do I have to go into this? Do you want this to go viral or not? Because your name is going to be all over the goddamn social media.
Susan.
Okay.
Susan, just sit down for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Relax. I'm here to help.
Okay, really? Because I think this is the 3rd time we've met, isn't it?
Well, it's the second.
Yeah.
Second, yeah.
Keep it going.
Okay. So what can I do to help you tonight? You need a place to stay?
I already paid for a place to stay. This is my 3rd.
Your 3rd?
I've seen you 3 times.
Where was your other one? Because I met you over at the Hawthorne earlier. Where
Then
else?
I went to the hotel over here and paid for it. And then I'm coming over here because I still don't feel quite respected in a Southern kind of hospitality way.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too. Me too, because I'm a Christian lady and I don't quite understand what the is going on.
Okay.
Because I don't know if there's a virus because I've been on the side of a goddamn mountain.
Yes, ma'am. We're 10-4.
So get her out of my way or I'm going to buy this fucking chain.
Okay.
Do I make myself clear? I'm
All right.
a millionaire. You
All
call
right.
my parents. 407. Do I need to go further, sir?
You want me to call somebody?
No, you can call my husband. 407.
Well, I thought you said you were trying to get away from your husband.
Well, if I have to call him to protect him,
What
Then
was your
that's
name
what
again?
I'll do. Susan Joy, Tom Morelli, Luther Picks. My ex-husband is an attorney that lives in the state of f***ing Florida.
Okay.
I'm trying to get
Can
home.
you stand up for me?
Yes, of course.
All right.
I've had this done a lot, so this is no big deal to me. If I have to be arrested, that's fine. I'm not going to look good for a room, but that's okay. If you could bring my bag and that, because I have my medical marijuana license, and I would appreciate for someone to let me inside my house. Because I paid for this 3 times today. Oh, believe me, I've been tased almost. This ain't shit to me. My daughter's been Baker acted 40 times in the state of Florida. Keep it up, boys. Keep it up. Right there, I gave it away.
Which car is it?
It's a blue Hyundai. I own it. Susan Joy Tomarelli. So the first person that lets me go gets it. And I want to go inside, and I'm not kidding. Let me go to sleep. I've been doing this a long time, sir, and I've come from a long way.
How many calls have we had on you tonight?
I don't know. You tell
This
my...
is the 4th one.
4th, I know.
4th call.
Yes.
And you act like you don't like law enforcement, but I beg to differ. I think you do. That's why you cause all these problems, so you can talk to us.
Of course I did. I just want to sleep.
Well, you had the chance. Why didn't you stay in your car? and
She
sleep?
told me to get out.
The last time I listened to the radio, you were going to sleep in your car.
Sir, tell him what's going on. Because
Yeah.
if I have to talk...
No, he's ready to hop
Okay,
on you.
then
Said you were
let
gonna
go
sleep in the
of
car.
me. Let go of me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, whatever. Take me. I don't care. Take me to a hospital. Get my pen, please, because I have a medical marijuana license and I wish to take it.
All right, we'll get it.
Okay.
That's a liquid.
Yes, it is, and my license is in my bag. Check it. I just want to get back to Florida, sir. I don't know how to do that because I just came up from a mountain way above, and I don't know how to get
You
back
don't know how
there.
to get back to Florida.
No, I'm not trying to do GPS. I'm
Alright.
doing it.
It's real simple.
You think I don't know that? My son walked Appalachian Trail.
I've done parts of it. Medical marijuana pen.
She says she got a license, but that's liquid THC. That's a felony if she don't have a license.
Licenses in
I'm
Florida.
not familiar with.
Yeah, she got a license in Florida. It's no good in Georgia.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter what it is.
That's right.
You never charged liquid THC. That's what she's saying it is.
Oh, yeah. She swears up to that.
That's her.
Can you charge her with it or
That's up to you. I mean, you do what you
Yeah,
want.
here.
disorderly conduct?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
this is
In
full
public
call.
drunk.
Yeah.
So
She wasn't intoxicated earlier, but there's nothing that I recognize. But
What, she got beer in there? I think the Michelob. Oh,
I check it out. There's like that much left
she
in it.
just likes to start throwing shit.
she's outside, dude. We got over there to the Hawthorne, and she's laid out on the hallway with white towels all over the place, and she's like, "Those mean I need help." Because we were asking her, "What are all these white towels all over the place?" She goes, "That's a signal for I need help." But she did have a journal from some like.
That's a North Carolina tag and she's trying to
No,
get
that's not hers. She's got Florida plates on that little blue car.
Oh, the other one over there.
Yeah, a
the
little
small
blue
car
one.
beside the phone.
She had a journal from some like some company where they're doing like I don't know, like a seminar on stress, on how to handle stress and whatnot, and it was like a book / journal, and she was throwing that around at us and everything else. So
Bad.
Go ahead and step out.
Yep, no problem.
Walk that way for me. Oh.
Yep.
We're gonna be going in that door on the left. Going in that door.
You put my face mask on because I heard there's a bad viral. And I don't want to get anything.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Please respect me.
We'll let you put it on.
Respect I've had my shots and I want to be respected like I've been traveling far away. No problem. Tell me where to go, honey.
Right here to this counter.
Yes, thank you. Yes, sir. Sorry. There is a man. Is there? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank God. Oh, misdemeanor prohibited. Okay, no problem. Can I get the handcuffs off you guys?
Yeah, still gonna take them off.
You put me in a holster, so I'd rather be in there. No problem. Here you go. Okay. Sorry, I have all the time in the world, sweetheart. I've been traveling all day. Where are you from? Orlando, Florida. Winter Garden.
What?
Because that gate was still open. She was walking off there. I thought she was about to walk up and
Do what? Disorderly conduct and possession of THC oil. Disorderly conduct and possession of THC oil. You don't?
Please have my son pick me up, because that's the only way I'm going out of here.
Yes, sir, honey.
She's got a medical marijuana registry card.
Well, it's not valid in Georgia.
That's okay.
Do what?
Can I sit down now, because I have a headache?
What code section is it? I mean, that's what I was born with, but it was 16, 13, 30. I don't know what subsection it is.
You guys can draw my blood. That would be quicker.
So it's Pomerelli, not Pitts. Yeah, it's empty.
This isn't gonna be good.
What you doing in Georgia?
I'm trying to get home to my daughter. She has a mental illness, and I went to visit my best friend's,
What did you
Do
say?
you think that's appropriate, ma'am? An apple doesn't fall far from the tree. I live with mental illness. That's not appropriate, honey. That will go on the news.
Why did you stay on 75?
Because I was here for Christmas, ma'am.
What, you're in Rome?
I was up a mountain. Look at my ID. I was in some Miss Mifflin, Mrs. Mifflin. It's my best friend, Brandy Marie Mifflin. She's in my phone. She has a boyfriend in California that's
What
an attorney.
city were you at?
I don't know. It was a grocery store. I just fucking have been on the road all day. I don't remember what city I was in. I'm sorry, Somerville? Or
You were in Somerville, so you were making your way back to 75?
Yes.
I mean, I still got some more stuff to ask her. But
You never missed that turn.
Honey, my nose is shot. I'm not used to being on a mountain with a bunch of fucking semis.
is her driver's license over there?
She doesn't have a driver's license in there.
Just that medical card?
That's all she's got. Come on, let's go sit back.